Hello everyone, my name is Lorenzo. I am a young writer. I found Amazon KDP a few years back, trying to get my first reviews, those important reviews that we all want. We think it's easy because it's there, but it's not. It's very hard for me at first, getting those first reviews that I was very excited for. I tried a lot of things, a lot of ways. I spent a lot of money I wish I didn't have. But it all changed when I found Read and Rate. I started getting those first reviews. I wanted a lot of reviews. It was a game changer for me. It was like finding the missing piece to my puzzle. And I even dare to say that getting those reviews and even more reviews each time with each book was easier. It wasn't throwing my money away. It was like investing on myself, and it worked. My books started to get really noticed, reviewed, and read. That it was what I wanted. People should read them. That's the important thing for me. So if you're in the same situation I was, not getting any reviews, your first reviews or any views, you are in a slump, give Read and Rate a shot. It's very good. For me it was a game changer, as I said, and it might just be the thing that you need to get those reviews. So take care and keep creating.